Hey guys, it's Jennifer Sparks. I am in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and today I'm going to take you to Murrells Inlet. We're going to be going to the Marsh Walk. The Marsh Walk was a pretty flat, simple, easy drive from where we were staying in Myrtle Beach. For those of you that are new to my channel, I mostly do resort tours and reviews, but today we're going to be checking out this really cool place. This is new to me. I've never been here before, so I'm super excited to see it. I found it while researching cool places to take a walk and to dine. So figure we'll go take a walk and we're going to go find a nice place to have lunch. And a really cool place to go walking it was. And there were a bunch of places to choose from to dine. Really, I love this. So the menu is right on the table. I thought that was super. This video was taken in February 2022. It was a Wednesday afternoon about 1 p.m. Are you a local and have more information about this wonderful area? Let me know in the comments below. I wish I had more information. We just went in for the walk and for lunch. The day was chilly. It was about high 50s, windy. So we were looking forward to sitting down and having a nice lunch somewhere. We ended up choosing from recommendations the Dead Dog Saloon. Oh my God, look at all the dogs. Look at all the t-shirts. Wow, cute. We didn't have reservations and we're seated right away. All these pictures, they're all of little dogs. It was so cute. And the table too. If you're a lover of dogs, this is definitely a must-see. It was a really unique experience. Here's a little peek at the menu offerings. Started off with some margaritas and I ordered the chicken sandwich. It was like a fried chicken. It was like really battered chicken with sweet potato fries. My husband had it's like a sliced filet mignon on like a garlic bread with a side of coleslaw. They had 2 indoor places to dine, plus they also had outdoor dining. The place was really cool. It was a very interesting themed experience. The Dead Dog Saloon is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can access it from the street and also from the boardwalk. Now we're going to continue our little walking tour. Come take a walk with us. We're going to go down to the other end of the boardwalk and back. Going to check out and look at all the other dining options. you're still with me on this walking tour, you rock the hardest. I enjoy watching other people's walking tours. I just kind of feel like I'm going along for the experience. That way, you know, it's like I don't always have to be everywhere. There's so many places in the world to see. So I like to give others the experience as well. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd do me a favor and hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be awesome. That would really help my channel grow. This is my first time covering the Myrtle Beach area. I'm having such a great time, and I'm working on so many videos right now. But I really love the area. It's awesome. Now we're en route back to Myrtle Beach. I loved my stay at Myrtle Beach, and I'm going to be doing a lot more videos of my stay there. The first video that I made and I published yesterday, if you want to check it out, is where we stayed, Sheridan Broadway Plantation. It's an awesome resort. We had a 2-bedroom over there, great place. Then we also went to Broadway at the beach and had a couple lunches there if you want to check that out. Barefoot Landing, we had a happy hour and a breakfast there if you want to go check out our walk there. Myrtle Beach and Boardwalk, we did a walking tour there as well. We did driving down Myrtle Beach, down Ocean Boulevard. Going to be making a video of that too. And then I'm going to do a video of all the places that we ate because I'm crazy like that. That's just how I roll. Plus, it makes good memories for myself, and I can help other people along the way. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Make sure you get out there and enjoy yourself. Be well to yourself. Be well to others. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels to you.